The outside Copperhead, South Pearl in the middle, Key Element, Ninjitsu, Zibayans Angel, and on the outside Annual Survey, Reporter, Armor Plated Cambro, and on the inside is Aim to Please, who's racing in last. Into the turn they go, Escapo now takes the lead by about 3/4 Balenka. South Pearl now in second, and on the outside third is Speed of the Wind. Chabacana is down in fourth, moving up on the outside fifth now is Key Element. Copperhead, Boyo, Ninjitsu, Reporter, Armor Plated, Zibayans Angel, Cambro, Annual Survey, and Aim to Please. Inside the tres, Octavo Escapo is still in front by about 2 lengths. Speed of the Wind remains in second. And here comes Key Element now moving up by the rail. South Pearl comes next is Copperhead. Escapo, Key Element is on the outside now fighting it out for the lead. Escapo, Key Element is on the outside as they come down to the last 100. Key Element takes the lead. Escapo is by the rail. Key Element, Escapo is down on the inside. It's now Key Element, Escapo on the outside once again. But it's still Key Element, Escapo on the outside. And finally it's Key Element, Escapo. South Pearl, then comes Copperhead. Chabacana.
Parang si reporter yata.
Ang pang-anim.
No? Reporter. Anyway, 14-2, 9-12-8, yun ang clear natin. At ito yung quarter clockings na ginawa o sinet ni Key Element. 13-25, 25 and a half, finishing at 27 and a half. Total time is 1 minute 31 seconds flat para po kay Key Element na kung saan yung ating take all, ang natira nga po dyan going to do race number 7 pag na-declare na official is